Hello aspirant, in history series today's topic is Magad Empire. During later Vedic period, society changed and Jana, which was loyal tribe, changed to Janpada. They fought for resources and political dominance, merged to form Mahajanpadas. These were powerful kingdoms of ancient India. They were divided into monarchical and in monarchical, Magad Empire was the powerful kingdom. Magad was divided into three dynasties, Haryanka, Shishunag and Nanda dynasty. Talking about Haryanka dynasty from 544 to 412 BC, the founder was Bimbisar. In Jain literature, it means Shrenika, the conquest of Anga. He sent royal physician Jivika to Ujjain for Chand Pradyutta, who was suffering from jaundice. He expanded empire through diplomacy, through marriage. He married to the daughter of Koshala king, sister of Prashanjit, daughter of Chetka, ruler of Lichvi, and the marriage with princes of Madhya kingdom. He was also the patron of both Jainism and Buddhism. Next ruler was Ajatasattu, son of Bimbisar. He killed his father to ascend the throne. He defeated Koshala and married Prashanjit's daughter. He conquered Vaishali. He was patron of first Buddhist council held in Rajgiri and also supported both Buddhist and Jain sect. In the 8th year of his reign, Buddha attained Mahaparivana. The next ruler was Udayin, who shifted capital from Rajgir to Patliputra and also built a fort at the confluence of Ganga and Son river in Patna. The next dynasty was Shishunag dynasty from 412 to 344 BC. Founder was Shishunag, who conquered Avanti and merged it into Magad. He shifted the capital to Vaishali. Next ruler was Kalashoka. His nickname was Kakarvana. He again shifted the capital to Patliputra and he conducted second Buddhist council held at Vaishali. After that, Mahapadmananda overthrew Shishunag dynasty by killing last ruler of the dynasty and the next dynasty called Nanda dynasty from 344 to 322 BC. Founder was Mahapadmananda and also called Ugrasen due to large army. He got the title of Ekarat. He was the first to conquest Kalinga and brought a Jain idol from Kalinga called Sarvashrestha in Puranas. After that, Dhanananda, who was the last ruler of Nanda dynasty, he was the patron of Jainism. Alexander, who invaded northwestern India in 327 to 325 BC during his reign, a battle of Hydaspes was fought between Alexander versus Porus near Jhelum river. Alexander was the victorious. Later his army refused to cross Beas river. Alexander returned and died of typhoid in Babylon. Dhanananda overthrown by Chandragupta Maurya in 322 BC. Thanks for watching.